Hello, folks. Welcome to my channel, PuduTech. My name is Zawad Hussain. I am a proud Bangladeshi Canadian and an IT professional. As my mentor used to say, life is too short to learn everything, but we need to keep learning to stay humble. My journey began in 2012 after graduating from telecommunication engineering, followed by an internship at a local ISP for a couple of months, and I realized it wasn't my cup of tea. I started to work on my paper with my advisor, hoping to publish a research paper on solar power, which could help my case further in postgraduate studies. During that time, I met an individual, my mentor, late Dr. Kabir, who was a fantastic human being and a visionary. He wanted to initiate the organic movement in Bangladesh by educating the masses and cleaning out the toxic from our souls and bodies. So I jumped on his train and worked with him for about a year on a pilot organic farm backed up by Anwar Green Farm, which later got abandoned due to lack of financing and interest. After that, I had different experiences from 2013, almost for 6 years at Anwar Group of Industries as a client rep role. And down the road, I worked as a part time sales manager for a travel agency, Shepherds. Aside being friendly and approachable, these two roles helped me grow and strengthen my communication skills, and I am eternally grateful for them. Soon I got married in 2017 and moved to Canada in 2019, started my studies again, hoping that with Western education under my belt might give an edge to find a job here in Canada. So enrolled in a 3-year diploma in software dev program at Sheridan College with co-op. After that, I started working at Sheridan Service Desk for 3 years in total, which helped me grow immensely and strengthen my confidence when it came to troubleshooting tech issues. And towards the end of the contract, I thought I need to move to another role to challenge me and grow further. So I started networking and signed up for courses, read books to build skills. And now here I am searching for my next journey. So the story behind the naming. Me and my wife, we are expecting our first baby soon, inshallah, and we wanted to give it a nickname. So one day, my wife shared the name Pudu, which is a playful and intelligent deer from South America. It sounds cute, so we kept it. And the tech made the name cooler. So, fun fact, I recently discovered there's a Chinese AI robotics company named PuduTech. A perfect coincidence. So, what, why, and for whom is the channel for? So, what I noticed is a lot of tech jobs today require foundational certifications, and some can be pretty expensive. My idea is to learn the fundamentals of these certifications using books and free online resources like YouTube, W3 Schools, Free Code Camp, so I can register for a higher level certifications later on. I have also realized that if I cannot explain a concept simply, I haven't fully grasped it myself. As Richard Feynman once said, if you cannot explain it to a child, you don't understand it yourself. So I hope this channel improves my explaining skills and becomes a space where we can all learn and grow together. So for the past decade, cybersecurity role has been on the rise with a huge demand. And nowadays you can deploy an attack using AI. So before I fall further behind in the race, I thought I should at least learn the basics like Linux, Active Directory, cloud services. Um, so, so I am planning to create playlists for each topics, whatever I am learning. That way, any individual who is at my position, like me, will benefit watching them. And eventually, my goal is to enrich this channel and add more self-help development content in future, which has helped me. So please leave a comment with any suggestions or feedback. I would love to hear from you, and feedbacks will help me grow and improve. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with PuduTech. Thank you for watching.